Hey guys, welcome back to Tools on a Budget. Just bringing back the Bauer, the brushless high torque. Letting you guys know how it's been the last, I want to say like 7 months. I'm not 100% sure how long I've had it, but I've had it for a while. I've almost exclusively been using this Bauer. As you guys can tell, it's getting pretty banged up, which is normal. I mean, that's what tools are for, you know. They're to save you time, get you more money. So a couple little things I like about these batteries. I know this is an 8 amp hour, but I also have a 3 and a 5, and these batteries are just absolutely amazing. They last so long. I use it daily and never have an issue where I'm like, oh dang, I need to worry, like where I never have an issue where I'm about to go do a job and I'm like, oh damn, am I gonna have enough charge? Never have to worry about that. Charge them once every like 2 weeks, all 3 of them, and they seem to last. They're still usually half charged. Like this one, let's see how much charge this one has. So supposedly it's still fully charged, and I've been using it the whole week. So as you guys can see, the batteries, never have to worry about it. Great. I can impact a bunch of wheels, suspension, everything all day, and maybe go down 1 bar if I do it like constantly all day. But I don't know, these batteries pretty good. Never had an issue with them, like I said. Another thing I really like about it is this hog ring. It's holding up really well on a lot of the cheaper impacts, which I thought this was going to have that issue. The hog rings, they become loose, even fall off. Even on the Milwaukees. Nothing bad about the Milwaukees, but the hog ring sometimes is a failure point on them. And maybe this is an exception. Maybe this one is just really well on there, put on there well. But yeah, so far it looks like it's holding up. Haven't had an issue with that, with the hog ring, and the sockets go in easily, and they do stay on there, and they come out how they should. In fact, let me show you guys real quick. Let me grab it. So, oh, this is not it. So we have one here. Put one in. See, on there, just the right amount of friction. It's been like that since I got it. Really like that. Actually, when I first got it, I think it was kind of hard to put it in, but it settled in within like a couple days. As you guys can see, the plastic housing, it's glass fiber reinforced, so it is holding up. If this is going to be your only impact wrench, I do recommend every like 6 to 7 months you go ahead and open this. It's very simple. 4 bolts on the head and a couple bolts here, so probably like 10 bolts altogether. And you want to clean all the metallic shavings that you're going to have inside the motor. And you will have some, especially if you work and if you're a mechanic, you will always have metallic like shavings in there. Just wipe it off, clean. You might want to even like re-grease the anvil, because it does come out. Doesn't matter what tool it is, it always comes out through here slowly when you're impacting. Because this does take quite a beating in here from the anvil and the hammer. And it's always good to just go in there and clean it, especially if this is going to be your only one. That way you do ensure that it does last you as long as it possibly can. Honestly, I would do that with any tool, not just the Bauer. If you just have one high torque or one impact wrench that you're going to use, go ahead and maintain it. It's like everything. It's like a car. You do your oil changes. Car mostly holds up, not nowadays, but mostly, you know what I mean. So yeah, I would recommend going in there, cleaning it, seeing what you see. If you see any like frayed cables, throw a little bit of solder and then patch it up with like some heat wrap or something. These are tools. These aren't like, these are not meant to last forever. So we can do whatever we can to keep these maintained. And a lot of people actually don't maintain their electric power tools. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't care, I'm just gonna buy another one when it breaks. But some people don't have the money to just go and buy another one. So this is where maintaining this will save you a ton of money in the long run. You know, if you see any little defects, you know, once you get comfortable taking it apart, it'll be super easy. You can get in here in about like 2 minutes, clean it up in about 5. You know, under 10 minutes you can have it maintained. And I do recommend that every like 6 months. Like I said, not just on the Bauer, on pretty much any tool. If it's going to be your money maker, you know, that's what you eat out of. So basically, like I said, just take these bolts off, take these 4, and this cone comes off. If you see that it's kind of dry on grease, lube it up a little bit. And like I said, on the motor, there's always a bunch of like little metal shavings or metallic dust, as we call it. But yeah, guys, held up super good. The what do you call it? This is glass fiber reinforced, so it is really rigid. And I'm gonna give you guys a tip. If you guys don't like it looking this dirty, just get yourself some tubble towels, and these are extremely good at making it shine and pop again. Like, it'll get rid of most of these dirt spots. In fact, I might make a video showing you guys how to clean your tools with tubble towels. If you guys are interested, let me know in the description. Sorry, in the comments. Sorry, I'm out of it today, guys. I'm pretty tired. But yeah, guys, it's a very good tool. Haven't had any issues with the power. Every bolt I've tried taking it off, if it comes off. Of course, there's going to be exceptions. There's some bolts that are not meant to be taken off with the 1/2-inch anvil. You know, you're not going to take off 40 millimeter bolt with this thing. I mean, it possibly could, but it's always better to use the appropriate tool for the job. And bearings in this thing sound great. I'm gonna let you guys hear the motor run. So it does have more oomph in reverse, which is always nice on an impact wrench, unless you work in the trades where you wanted to have more power in forward. But yeah, like I said, guys, highly recommend this one, especially now. I think they have like a combo kit. You get the charger, battery, and the tool for like $149. That's incredible. I don't think you could beat that for the price. You can go Ryobi, but the build quality is pretty similar. Some people say that the Ryobis are built better. That's not my experience from what I've seen. I've had a few of them. The quality is pretty similar, extremely similar actually, with both of them. But I do like the Bauer. You know, a lot of people actually confuse this from Milwaukee. When I pull it out and I start using it, they're like, "Oh, I've been wanting to get a Milwaukee," and then I show them, this is from Harbor Freight, and they get surprised that it was able to take off their tire and their suspension and all that, and they're like, "Oh, I thought it was a Milwaukee." I'm like, "Nah, it's Harbor Freight." But I mean, it works great. I haven't had an issue. Like I said, I've done jobs that are far away. Just grab it. Don't have to worry about it. I don't even think twice, because I know it's going to be reliable. And I have used this pretty much daily for the past 6-7 months. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly how long I've had it, but since I got it, I'm going to go back and check the video, and I'll leave in the description how long I've had it since I got it. Sorry, I don't regret nothing about buying this tool. I actually have another one that I use for like the channel, because it's cleaner, and I don't want to show this one, and because I wanted a fair test. So when I get a new impact wrench, I want to put it up against the new, because this one's used and abused. I might do this one versus the new one and like a short or something to see if the power changed or anything. Honestly, doesn't feel like the power has changed. And I did have like one hiccup one time. I don't know what happened. I was using it a lot that day. I don't know if it was the battery or the tool, where it did cut off when I was impacting an axle nut, like a 36 millimeter, sorry. I was putting it in, and it kept stopping, but then I literally just took the battery out and put it back on, and then worked perfectly after that for the rest of the day. So I don't know what that was. Maybe inconsistent connect. Sorry about that, guys. I got a call. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more like this, please leave a comment down below. And I do have a couple reviews coming up. I'm going to review the 20 volt the Bauer cordless ratchet. I'll probably put it up against the Hyper Tough and the Milwaukee and the Hercules and see how they do. So stay tuned for that video. and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And thanks for watching.